test natin to. ENC G17 G5. Shoutout kay Sir Brian. So naka metal slide, polymer yung frame, may under rail for attachment with black markings, threaded OB. So mag capacity is around 26 rounds. Masasabi ko pa 300 rounds. Okay, test natin. Firing mode is semi-auto lang. 326, 322. So price is 4,000. Makikita nyo guys sa sa budget mail folder natin. Okay, so for details mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mav Sabi Shop.